File input and output. Not as real common thing you do in PHP, but it's still necessary for you to understand. You do it a little bit. And this is how you do it. Here's the function definition. You say fopen, pass in the file name you want to open in, the mode you want to open it in, and then these are all argument parameters you can pass in, and you can read about those. The modes we can open it: read, reading only; R+, open it for reading and writing; W, open it for writing only; W+, reading and writing; and then some A for writing only, put at the end of the file, essentially append. And those are the common ones. There's other ones, but here's some examples. You fopen. This is the file name I want to open. I want to open it in read mode. I want to open this file on, and here's an absolute URL that I can open, read mode. Here's a file I can open, FTP. I'm going to open it in write mode. So those are all examples. And once we've opened it, we can then write things to that file by specifying, using this fwrite function. We specify the handle, file handle that we're working with, and the content we would like to write to the file. Here's an example. We can test to say if when I try to write something to the file and it returns false, I probably want to print out a message to the user saying you cannot write to the file, and we'll go ahead and exit. There's functions for reading file, for getting stuff out of the file, and you can look at those functions. Not as common, and then certainly when we're done with the file, we want to close it. So let's just look at a quick example. So if I want to open a file, this is, say, fopen, particular file name, I'll say temp.txt. We'll open it for reading and writing, sure. And it's not there, it's not created. We'll just write something to it and to the file handle. So we gotta store this as a file handle. So to the file handle, I want to write, this is being written to the file. And then I do a $fh close to close that file handle. As I save it and run it, I go to File I/O. Nothing loads here because I didn't echo anything out to the screen. But if I were to visit, let's see if that will load in my browser. Temp.txt, it's forbidden. So if I jump over here and actually look at the value of temp.txt, you can see that it exists and it was written to the file. So that's just a quick File I/O demo. I'll do another one later.